So first thing you need to do is go to Google and make sure that you are signed into your school account. So you go up here to the upper right, click on the image, and make sure you are selecting your school account. If you're not signed in, it will prompt you to put your password in, but I am signed in. Okay, now on these squares here, you are going to go to your drive right there. Okay, and now you're going to go to new, and you're going to go to Google Sheets, and you need to hover, don't click, just hover on this arrow and go to and select from, from a template right there. All right, and now mine is automatically selected on Hoboken Synagogue, but it's possible that it will take you here, which is useless. So just make sure that up here on this menu, you select Hoboken Synagogue, and then this is your weekly plan template. So you just double click on it. It will open. And first thing you need to do is change the name. Okay, so let's say it's for next week, September 27. And here, just write your class. In my case, I'm just going to write Susim. Okay. And same thing here. I'm just going to select this and write Susim. And now here, you just click on this date right there. It will open the calendar. Double click, open the calendar, select Monday the 27th or whichever week you're planning for, and then your days will automatically switch here. Okay, so your every day has the right date. And now here on the left, you can just put whatever you want. I kind of put some of the areas that I use, but you can change it to whatever you want. You can write meeting, art, manipulative, I don't know, book, other. You can just leave some blank, just delete that, okay? And then here's for your goals, any notes that you may want to, or reminders that you may want to have for yourself down here. And the next thing that I would like you to do is go here. Okay, see this right next to the title, you have a star, and then you have this folder symbol with an arrow that means move. Click on that. And it will show you the folders on your drive. In my case, I have, you can see here, I have an at 2021, 2022, where I keep all my documents and things that are related to this year, my class list, the parent handbook, all those things that the school, shares with me, I keep in there just to have easy access. That's up to you. But what you should do is create a new folder down here. Call it 2021-22 weekly plans, and then dash or hyphen, and then your class name, Dagim, Susim, Tubim, whatever your class name is. Create folder. So you click on that blue area that you had and you move it here. And then you can go back to your drive, and you will see here is my new folder, 21-22 weekly plans Dagim. Highlight it and then go up here to share it with both director and office. And that way, every time you create a new plan, it will be automatically shared. You don't have to send it to anyone. You don't have to share every single document. You just save it in that folder, and the office and Raquel will have access to it. Okay, if you need any, and then hit send here, of course. I'm not going to do that because this is not a real document or a real folder. You're going to do your plan again. You have two options. You can do what we just did again, or you can just open your drive, go to your recent documents. And this is the one that I just did. So I'm just going to open it. And now I can come here to File and make a copy. And this is important. You have to make a copy. You can't just edit this document because the school needs to have a record of every weekly plan that we have. It's a licensing requirement. So make sure that you're not just editing the same document. You need to copy it every time. And you're just going to name it October 3rd, I think it's next Monday. And here you can see that it's in the right folder. It's right here in the weekly plans for SUSIM. And I'm just going to click OK. And now I can, while this opens, I can go ahead and close this one just so I don't run into trouble there. And now you can start editing. You can come to the calendar here. Oh, it was October 4th, not 3rd, but whatever. Change the name here, okay, to October 4th. And the beauty of this too is that every time you make a change, like let's say that your week doesn't go as planned, you can just note your changes here and they will be recorded, and that's it. You just have them there forever, okay? So here you would come and edit, change your theme or study to whatever new theme you're starting. Let's say you're talking about the farm. There you go, and you can just start editing here, and then it saves automatically. It will already be in the right folder, so you don't have to share it. I mean, you can share it with your assistant or with other teachers if you want. I always share it with Debbie and Shanna, but that's, you can just print it and take it to school, whatever you want to do. Okay? And again, if you need any help, just email me and I'll get back to you.